CES 2026 is absolute chaos. Amidst all the AI robots, flying cars, I actually found something that solves a real-world problem in a way that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi lab. I'm talking about your kitchen, specifically the air that you breathe while you cook. I just left the Arspura press event here in South Hall. They are claiming that they have written the next chapter of kitchen fume extraction. I watched their CEO and the lead scientist explain a technology called Quad-Vortex. It sounds like marketing hype, but when you see the physics behind it, it actually is pretty wild. Arspura's founder, Dr. Ray Wren, explained that traditional range hoods are actually pretty insufficient. They just try to vacuum air up, but a lot of bad stuff like PM2.5 particles and grease escapes into your house. Their solution is called IQV technology. Instead of just sucking air, it creates 4 stable mini tornadoes that capture fumes at the source before they can spread. They also have this anti-leakage air curtain. It forms a literal wall of air in the breathing zone. This tech is designed to block that entirely, keeping the air clean right where you're standing. I had a chance to sit down with Dr. Wren to ask why they are so obsessed with pura, a Latin root word for purity. Through his translator, he told me that for Arspura, it's more than just about a fan. It's about hidden indoor pollutions that most of us just ignore. If you're spec head, here's a breakdown of the lineup that they showed off. The flagship F1 model is the powerhouse. It hits 16 meters per second airflow. That is incredibly fast for a home unit. Then there's the P2. It's designed for those who hate jet engine sound of a range hood, which is quiet enough to actually have a conversation while you're cooking. The best part for anyone who hates cleaning, these are filter free. No more scrubbing greasy metal grates. You just wipe the surface and you're done. Look, I know what you're thinking, a range hood. It's not exactly a teleporter, but here's the thing about CES. Everyone is chasing the shiny new toy, but Arspura is chasing actual fluid dynamics to solve a health issue. The design is sleek, the gesture controls mean that you don't have to touch buttons with messy hands, and the PM2.5 monitoring actually shows you the air quality in real time. If you're someone who cooks a lot at home or you're tired of your living room smelling like whatever fried lunch that you had, this is a legitimate upgrade. We've all had the moment where you're leaning over a boiling pot and get a face full of scorching steam or stinging onion fumes. So, is a Vortex hood enough to get you excited about kitchen tech, or are you sticking with your old loud fan? Let me know down in the comments if you think that this is a game changer or just a luxury. I'm heading back into the madness of CES. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more CES coverage coming out really soon. I'll see you in the next one.